Welcome back to the deep dive. So today we're zeroing in on a single piece of hardware, the NTI VOPEX-USBV-2.
hmm
And our mission here is really just to understand how this one box can completely change the way we think about shared computer access.
Yeah,
Because we're so used to this idea of one person, one machine, but this device, it just kind of shatters that.
it does.
So the core paradox, the big question, is how can you possibly have four different people all using the exact same computer simultaneously?
Well, the funny thing is the name itself, KVM splitter, it sort of gives the game away. Keyboard, video, mouse.
Right.
Its entire purpose is to take one computer, a PC, a Mac, whatever, and just replicate its outputs. So you get four separate stations, each with its own monitor, keyboard, and mouse.
And you can still plug in other peripherals too, right? Like
What?
printers.
Exactly. The sources say up to 3 additional USB devices can connect right into the splitter itself.
Okay, so let's unpack that for a second. This isn't just someone watching over another person's shoulder.
No, not at all.
We're talking about genuine simultaneous input. You could have four people entering data into the same spreadsheet at the same time.
You could, which is huge for, say, data entry floors or industrial control rooms.
But that brings up a question for me. If you have four people working at once, what stops one person from, accidentally deleting what another person is typing?
That's a great question. And the splitter itself, it doesn't really manage that. Its job is purely to deliver reliable, unrestricted access to the host computer.
I see. So the application on the computer has to handle the traffic control.
Precisely. The splitter just focuses on making sure that connection is rock solid across, well, a whole bunch of different platforms.
You mean like Windows and Mac?
Windows, Mac, Windows Server, but also more specialized systems. Solaris, Linux, FreeBSD. It's built to just work. It
Yeah.
just passes that USB 2.0 data straight through.
And that focus on robustness, it's not just in the software compatibility, is it? The sources mention some very specific peripherals.
Yeah, it's not just printers. They specifically call out compatibility with things like a Motorola bar code scanner.
Which tells you right away, this isn't for your home office.
Not at all. This is for a warehouse, a factory, a demanding commercial environment. And the build quality reflects that. It's rugged steel with a powder coat finish.
And it's TA compliant.
Exactly. For anyone listening, that means it meets U.S. government procurement standards. It's a signal that this thing is seriously tested and built to last.
Okay, so let's talk performance. Because that's got to be a bottleneck, right? Pushing video to four different screens from one source.
You'd think so, but the specs are actually pretty impressive. The video resolution goes up to 1920 by 1200.
Oh, wow, that's very crisp.
It is, supported by 150 megahertz bandwidth, and the resilience goes beyond just the physical case. It also meets ESD immunity requirements.
Electrostatic discharge. So it's built to survive a power surge.
It's built to survive the harsh electrical environment of a data center or factory floor. It's tough.
Right, which makes sense with the flexible power, the 110 or 220 volt options. And I saw there's an optional audio feature.
There is. You can add stereo audio that delivers CD quality output.
So let's wrap this up. What does this all mean for you, the listener? You're looking at a device that's about $385 today, comes with a 2-year warranty. It seems like a very targeted solution. It's not about saving money by not buying computers. It's about maximizing the use of one single, powerful, and maybe very secure host machine.
And that really leaves you with an important question to think about. We are so conditioned to this one person, one computer model of efficiency.
Yeah.
But when you consider devices like this, built for environments where failure is not an option and simultaneous access is critical, how does that change how you think about hardware? It really makes you question whether you're investing in the right place, in more computers, or in better shared access to a single, more valuable one.